Here number 4. I'm going to solve now number 4 question. So it's so that 1 minus sin a plus cos a whole square equals 2 multiplied 1 minus sin a multiplied 1 plus cos a. So as it is again so that prove that anything we have to always start from either LHS or RHS. So in this case again I am trying to go with LHS. So LHS is 1 minus sin a plus cos a whole square. So we have already we already know that there is formula for a plus b whole square, that is for a square plus 2ab plus b square. But here there are 3 terms. So for 3 terms we can use this formula, a plus b plus c whole square, and this equals first square of every term, like a square plus b square plus c square, and do a doublet of every term, like ab. So it will be 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So this is the formula for this a plus b plus c whole square. So this we can use. So 1 square is 1 minus sine a square, sorry, sine square a. Then does it have any question? Means if you okay, I'm muting few persons because I think they forgot to mute their mic. Okay, so a square, b square, then c square, that is 4 square a, and then plus 2ab. So 2 in place of a we have 1, 2 into 1 into b, like here have sin a, so 2 sin a, then plus 2bc, that means second term and third term. So 2 into sine into cos, but again here it is minus, so it will be minus sign here, minus 2 sin a cos a, and plus,
Sorry,
yeah,
shouldn't it be minus 2 sine A? Because 1 into minus sine square A.
Yeah, it should be.
or where I mean which one, this one,
No, sorry.
the first one, this one,
Yes, this one
Yeah.
shouldn't be
yeah, correct. It will be minus 2 sin a. Thank you for the focus, but still there is some less focus I can see. Here will be also plus, because this is a square plus b square c square. So it will whatever be the sign, wow, it is plus minus or whatever, there always it will be plus. So a square plus b square plus c square. Then we have to check the sign according to the a, b, b, c, and c. Sorry.
It's written minus, then why did you change it into plus?
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. That's I'm saying that whatever be the sign here, minus, plus, or whatever, it will be minus or plus, it will be always plus according to the formula. Okay. And why it will be minus, I am explaining here. So say there is minus sign a and I want to square it. So what will be?
Plus it
Yeah,
will
it will
be.
be plus.
Sin A square. N square A.
Sin square A. So all time it will be plus. So we don't have to think actually. So it will be plus or minus. We have to always put plus sign. Okay. So for the first three terms, we have to always put plus sign. But for the next three terms, we have to see the signs of the first term, second term, and then second, third, then third, first. So now these two are correct. Minus 2 sin A. Wait. Minus 2 sin A cos A. And the third term is what? C into A. C is what? Plus cos A. And A is what? Plus A. So it will be plus 2 into 1 into cos A. That means 2 cos A. Now it's done. Okay. So next, that is 1 plus, here it will be 1, y1 this is the identity last day we studied, like sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. And next, minus 2 sin A, or one thing we can do, we can take common out of from these two, like this is 1 plus 1, and from here minus 2, and from here minus 2 sin A. We can take minus 2 sin A as a common term. So it will be minus 2 sin A as a common term. Then plus, it will be remaining 1 plus cos A. And in the last, it will remain same as cos A. So now, this is 2. And what I'm doing, taking this 2 cos A in front, like 2 plus 2 cos A, and minus 2 sin A into 1 plus cos A. Now again, we can take common out of from this. So 2 into 1 plus cos A, 1 minus 2 sin A into 1 plus cos A. Now again, we can take 1 plus cos A from this. So it will be 2 minus 2 sin A. And then we can 2 common out. That is the answer. Final answer will be 1 plus 2 into 1 plus cos A, 1 minus sin A. Anyone have doubt? And this is our RHS. So if you don't have doubt, then I will move on. So question number 5, I'm trying to skip this. I will do question number 6. Practice at home. If did not get it, I can explain later. Question number 6, I'm taking. So here x equals a cos square t plus b sin square t. Then we have to prove x minus a multiplied b minus x equals a minus b whole square sin square t cos square t. So let's begin with LHS. Like here it is done separately, or we can do together also, but I think this is simple, so I will do separately also. So x minus a, that means first term is x minus a, that means it will be a cos square t plus b sin square t and minus a. We can take a as in common from this and last term. And then it will be a multiplied cos square t minus 1 and remaining is b sin square t. Okay. Now we can do some conversions like this one, cos square t minus 1. We have studied sin square a plus cos square a equals 1. So, hello. Anyone is speaking something?
No, bro.
Okay, so from this we can take cos square a and take 1 minus 1 this side as minus 1 and take sine opposite side, that will be minus sine square a. So we can write it like this: a multiplied minus sine square a plus b sine square.
Hi, 1 second. I'm entering. Please, sorry for this. I was busy, so just now I joined. So as possible, you just try to brief from first because I need to also understand properly. But sorry for disturb.
Okay, just this is the question: x equals this a cos square t plus b sin square t, and we have to prove x minus a multiplied by b minus x equals a minus b whole square sin square t cos square t. We have to prove that. Okay, so we are beginning with LHS, and that is x minus a and b minus x. So these are x minus a and b minus x. We can do it together also, but as in example it is showing doing differently separately, so it will be a lot easier to understand. So I am doing also separately. So first I am taking x minus a. So what will be x minus a? Put the value of x and minus a. Now taking a as a common, so it will be remaining cos square t and minus 1 and b square sin square t as it is. Now cos square t minus 1 can be taken as minus sin square a from here formula, like we have already studied sin square a plus cos square a equals 1. So from this formula we can take cos square a minus 1 equal to minus sin square. So I have put this minus sin square here, and now yeah, okay. Now we can take sin square, sorry, this will be t. Now we can take sin square t as common in both these terms. So it will be minus multiplied by a, that is minus a, or we can write it like this in the last, and plus b. So it will be minus. So x minus a is this. Similarly, we can do b minus x.
As you can see, 1 second. Please scroll up. 1 second. Please scroll up. Hold on. As you can see, one, number 3, line number 3, a into cos square t minus 1. But in if, as you can see in line number 3, you are writing a into minus cot square. So where is the minus 1? Where going the minus 1? Can you explain this again, please?
Okay. Do you have remember yesterday we have we have studied this formula, sin square a plus cos square a is always 1.
Yeah.
So if I take sin square a this side,
Okay.
and take 1 as left side, then what will happen? 1 will come as minus 1.
Because
And
minus
sin square-
one. Because minus
and,
is change the position.
yeah, that's the rule of equation. And then sin square is going to opposite side, so minus sin square a. You see? So from here we get cos square minus 1
Okay.
equal to minus sin square a, right?
Correct.
Same here, cos square t minus 1, we can write minus sin square t. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. So next we have to find b minus x. So for b minus x, b is just b, I write this b minus x. So whatever b x, just negative sign. So minus a cos square t minus b sin square t. Now, like the same previous process, what we have to do, we have to take b and this b as common. So this will be 1 minus sin square t, and it will remain minus a cos square t. So now what? B, what will be this value?
Cos square t.
Cos square t.
Right? Cos square t. Because these formulas are similar. If I can do 1 minus cos square a is equal to sin square a, then I can also do 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. Okay. And don't get confused. This was come minus here because this was reverse, like cos square a minus 1. So if it was sin square t minus 1, then I would have written minus cos square t. Okay. Now here minus a cos square t, and then again we can take cos square t as common. So it will be remaining b minus a. Now we have to find x minus a multiplied by b minus x. So x minus a was sin square t multiplied by b minus a. B minus x is cos square t b minus a. So this will come as sin square t cos square t, and this will b minus a. This will become as b minus a whole square. I think that was need to be proven. No, this is not. Actually, answer is wrong. We need to prove a minus b, but here it is b minus a. How we can do that? Can anyone explain?
As possible, you can use any formula like as per.
No, this is basic algebra. You can try. Anyone can try here. This is basic. I mean, problem is we have brought here b minus a, and but we want a minus b. How is it possible?
Multiply with -1.
No. Duplicate 1.
Multiply with -1.
Minus 1 where?
One
But this
second,
will be
scroll up.
not-
One second, scroll up.
Yeah.
Full. Go to the question. Scroll down. Yes. Both are same. They are square is common from as you can see.
Why same? Any reason? Okay, as per the answer, it says we can write like a minus b square also, but why same?
Because their square is common.
Oh, because these are the difference actually, okay? And
Yes.
these are two are difference, and if we do squares of the difference, like if I do 5 minus 4 whole square or 4 minus 5 whole square, this will be always same, because what this is 1 square, and what will be this minus 1 square, so it will always positive number. So it
No,
does
no,
not
I understand. That means you wanna say like this. B is first, so B is a negative. B का सामने. That means B before
you
B
can tell in
plus.
Hindi.
हाँ.
I will explain everyone.
B के पहले प्लस है, A के भी पहले A के पहले माइनस है. तब जब B पोजीशन चेंज करेगा वो हो जाएगा प्लस, और जब B पोजीशन चेंज करेगा वो हो जाएगा माइनस. बट मेरा डाउट इधर है, जब मुझे जितना मालूम है मैथ के, तब मैं बेसिकली साइंस का भी स्टूडेंट नहीं हूँ, मैथ का भी इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ, बट मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि कहीं जो इक्वल टू है ना, उसका जब पोजीशन चेंज होता है तब होता है.
I will disturb you guys for 1 minute. Just 1 minute, please.
Sure.
In
Sure.
10 minutes, our session will end. So everybody click on the same link to rejoin. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, because you all have joined and it's a good class going on. So to continue, once your meeting ends automatically, just click on the same link 20 seconds later and it will start.
Okay, sir. Okay, let's continue. तो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, मुझे जितना मालूम है कि ये जब इक्वल टू है ना, उस टाइम पोजीशन चेंज करेगा तो ऐसा काम देता है. बट कैन यू एक्सप्लेन दिस?
Okay, can you repeat once again? Actually, just
जैसे हम देख रहे हैं यार, cos स्क्वायर t, सॉरी sin स्क्वायर t, cos स्क्वायर t. तो अब
ओके
b
समझ गया मैं आपका क्वेश्चन. कहना चाह रहा हूँ यही ना कि जब इक्वल्स होता है तभी साइन चेंज करते हैं, अदरवाइज नहीं करते, यही ना?
शायद मुझे इतना अच्छा नहीं है, मैं मैथ का इतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ.
That means I am clearing here. Okay, so actually this is true. If there is equal signs and then we change the positions from going from left to right or right to left, this will change the sign. But again, here this is different concept. Like b minus a, what will be? Okay, let's break it like a formula a plus b whole square. Everyone have read it, right?
Yes.
What will be this? A square minus 2ab plus
b square.
B square. Okay, and what will be this? B square minus 2ab plus a square, right?
Yes,
Is there any difference?
No.
So that's why we can write like this. Okay.
Now I
means okay.
Just they're changing only the value, I mean character.
Yes, that means a like anything like x minus a whatever. If it is whole square, we can write also y minus x whole square. It will not change the value. Okay, this is the same thing. So anywhere you want to replace, you can change. Okay. Okay. So now let's see what we can do next. Okay. Any doubt? Again?
No, you please continue.
Okay. Okay, this was just very basic one. Means if you will all try at home, please, and if you can't, then I will solve it here. Okay. Because mathematics needs practice. If I do everything, then we cannot solve any exam. Yeah, although true means we can write down and in the exam we can copy paste, but still cameras are always on. Okay. So here I similar question I'm taking like previous 7-number question. This is it. Express all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. So all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Okay. The first understand the question. What do you want from us? Like we know sec A is equal to sec A. Okay. This is, I think, does not need to explain. But I think this will be, yeah. Okay. But I think this will little need to be explained. Cos A is equal to 1 by sec. Is it true? Because there is a reciprocals to each other.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, but question asks from us, whatever have we have trigonometrical ratios, like what we have except these all, sine, tan, cot, cosec, and then what else? No, nothing. So these all four we have expressed 2 into sec A, but we have to also write sine A. Answer should be in sec. We have to write also tan, but answer should be in sec. This is the question. So
One second, sorry guys, disturb for this. Actually, someone is say for mute my mic. Actually, I am not well in mathematics because I am belong from arts. I am not belong from any science background, so I am not good in math. So sorry for this disturbing. माफ कर दो मुझे दया करके. बट मुझे जानने की बहुत शौक है, इसलिए मैं सवाल करता हूँ बार बार. But
You
sorry
can
for
ask a
this.
question, but please don't give long explanation. That eats up the time. Please.
Sure.
okay. So now we understood everyone understood the question, like what we have to find.
Yes.
Okay, so now we go to the answer. Like we have already find the sec A and cos A. Let's go to the sec A. How we can do? Sorry, not sec, sine. How we can convert sine into sec A? We don't have actually sine to sec relationship directly, but we have a sine to cos relationship with it. Okay, so because we can write sine A is equal to root over square root over 1 minus cos square A. Is it correct? Because we know sine square A is equal to 1 plus 1 minus cos square A. Just now we have read the formula, right? So now here we can write 1 minus, and now cos have relation with sec. So instead of cos, we can write 1 by sec square. Now we can take LCM as sec square, and then this will be sec square A minus 1, and this will be root over sec square A minus 1 divided by sec A. Anyone have doubt?
No, bro.
No, bro.
So we
wait,
have converted.
the down sec, why doesn't it have the square, the denominator?
Or denominator.
Yeah,
Yes.
you root only the denominator, right? Not the, I mean in the last one.
Yeah, root. No, sorry. That was misrepresentation. Root was for whole.
Okay.
This was for, and now this is square. So I took out the root with
Oh,
cancelling
okay.
the square. Okay. So now it is sec cos, and then we have to go with tan. For tan, we have direct relation with sec. Like sec square A minus tan square A equal to 1. So from using this formula with the equations, we can write directly. It will be 1 minus, sorry, I'm deriving it. This is equal to 1. So if I take minus tan square this side, so it will be tan square a and equal to sec square a, and minus 1 to this side, sec square a minus 1. So now tan a will be root over sec square a minus 1. So this is converted, cos converted, sine is converted, tan is converted. Now what's remaining? I think cot. So cot a is reciprocal of tan a, like 1 by tan a. And now we know tan in terms of sec. So it will be 1 by sec square a minus 1. Okay. And now what remaining? We have done sine, cos, tan, cot. Anyone? Cosec A. Cosec A, we know cosec A and sine A have just reciprocal relation. So we can write 1 by sine A. And for sine A, we have found the relation of sec, and it will be reciprocal of this, and it will be sec A whole divided by square root of sec square A minus 1. Okay, this is clear.
Yes.
Okay, so going to the next question. Okay, this is SAQ. SAQ, I think this is will be this is not provided solution here, so I will try to do this. So cos theta equals 4 by 5 t cos theta. We have to find the value of this term. 3 cos theta plus 2 cosec theta, 4 sin theta minus 2 cot theta. Okay. So what we can do here, use simple principle. Like we know cos theta equals to what? B by h, base by hypotenuse. So we can take b equal to 4k, like in ratio, and h equal to 5k. So what will be p? It will be, according to Pythagoras, it will be root over h square minus b square. So it will be 5k whole square minus 4k whole square. So it will be 25k square minus 16k square and equal to 9k square root, and it will be 3k. So p becomes 3k. So now this becomes easy. So 3 cos theta we can write directly 4 by 5 plus 2 cosec theta. Cosec theta is what? Reciprocal of sine. So sine has p by h. So cosec will be h by p. So it will be h by p. So h is what? Okay, first I'm writing this like this. Now it will be easier to remember. So into sine. Sine is what? P by h minus 2 cot. Cot is what? B by p. So now it will be 3 multiplied 4 by 5 plus 2 multiplied h. H is what? 5k by p. P is 3k whole divided by 4 multiplied by p. P is 3k. H is 5k plus, minus 2 multiplied by b. B is 4k by p. P is 3k. So now k's will be cancelled out, and it will be 12 by 5 plus 10 by 3, and here it will be 12 by 5 minus 8 by 3. So if we take common denominator, it will be 15, and then 5, 3, 12. I think it will be 56, and then it will be addition of fractions. Everyone knows, right? I don't need to explain. If needs, then tell me. I will. So now it will be 5, 3 into 12, 36 minus 5, 40. And now it will be 86 by 15. We can do it multiply here, and this 15 will come at top, and 36 minus 40 is, wait a minute, it's coming minus 5. It will be minus 4. Is it correct calculation, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, let's me take one. So 3 into 4, 5, 12 by 5, 10 by 3, 4, 3 by 5, and then 2, 4 by 3. Okay, so this we can cancel out, and if we do cancel this, it will be 43 minus 43 by 2. Okay, if answer does not match, there may be some calculation mistake, and if it does not match, then bring back to me, or you can also solve. Okay, so next, cos theta equal to this. Find the values of cot theta and cosec theta in terms of m and n. Cos theta is equal to m square minus n square all divided by m square plus n square. You have to find cot and cosec. So is there any shortcut? Cosec. Cot. No, let's do same traditional way. Let's assume it's b, and this will be h. So b equal to m square minus n square multiplied by k, and h equals m square plus n square multiplied by k. Now, so it will be bh. So we need to find p. So p will be root over h square minus b square, from where Pythagoras, and then h square. It will be m square plus n square a whole square, and m square minus n square a whole square. Everyone is not sleeping, right?
Yes, bro. We are awake.
Because this is going to be a little lengthy.
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
So so if we do, okay, let's keep it, I'm trying to making it as short as possible. First of all, you can notice here it is k square, and here it is k square. So we can directly take common k square outside the roots, and it will become as k. Okay, fine, this is done. Next, what is remaining here? m square plus n square whole square, m square minus n square whole square. But again, if you study, if you have studied this formula, not this one.
A square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b.
So we can apply here, right? This is whole square. This is square also. So instead of a, so instead of a, we have m square plus n square. So m square n square, and first time we will do plus with both terms, and so that you can understand, I will mark that a and this is b, and then it will be m square plus n square. And remember one thing, if I do minus here, then this sign will change. Okay, so this is m, so plus m, so it will be minus m square, and this is minus, so it will be plus n square. So now k, what will be remaining here? N square is cancel out, m square is cancel out, m square 2m square, and n square 2n square. So it will be 4, it will be 2 k mn. Is it correct? Okay, so 2 becomes 2 outside the root, and n square both become mn. So we have found out p. Now we
I
can
think
easily
there's a problem
write
here.
what?
That you use multiply sign 2m square plus 2n into 2n square. It should be, I think, 2m square plus 2n square.
No, it will be multiply, because we are doing a plus b multiplied a
Oh,
minus
okay,
b.
okay, sorry,
Got
right.
it?
But
Okay.
can you just
Ah.
open the calculation? So because I'm not understanding how it. Oh, right, I
mean,
understand now. Okay. Okay.
So this 2 becomes 2, and this k and this m, and comes out as mn. Okay, I'm not writing too much, because I think it will make more lengthy, and our mind will also get sleepy. Okay.
Maybe
So
some people are not from maths background, so it's okay if you simplify it. No problem.
yeah, means if anyone have doubt, I will sure simplify it. Okay,
Yeah.
if anyone have doubt, I will explain it more. Okay,
If anyone has doubt, you can also unmute yourself and ask if it's any relevant question.
so we have found out p, b, h. Now we have to find just cot and cosec. Cot is what? B by p. So p, we know here 2k mn, and b, m square minus n square k. Okay, I'm getting it zoom out. So b is m square minus n square k. K cancel out. It will be m square minus n square by 2 mn, and cosec is equal to what cosec? H by p. Sorry, I forgot. H by p. So it will be m square plus n square k divided by 2 k mn. K cancel out. M square plus n square by 2 m. Okay, this is done. If anyone have doubt, then complete. And please don't mind out handwriting, because I have left writing since many years, so that's why my writing is this way. and also I'm writing this on tablet just so that. And but still, if you have any doubt, I will clarify.
It's okay, man. It's good.
Okay, thank you. So I think no one had doubt, then I'm moving on. So next topic is something different. We have to remember the values of different standard angles. Okay. So it's easy. Just this is the chart. You will remember everyone. Like sine 0 degree 0, sine 30 degree 1 by 2, sine 45 degree 1 by root 2, 60 degree root 3 by 2. Got it? I think it is not
Yes,
need to
bro.
explain.
Okay, I would like to ask
Okay.
one thing that
Yeah.
which I was confused in school also. If you can explain, does quadrant quadrant decides that what our sign is going to be, like it's going to be 90
Yeah,
or
I will come to that.
yeah,
It will
okay.
come after complementary angles.
Okay, okay,
But this is for acute
So,
angles.
so far it's
Okay.
not here, it's not included in here now, right?
Now it will
Because
come in later.
above here I saw there was one question. It said 0 is greater than theta and theta is less than 90. So I thought maybe it is applicable there.
Oh no, that was just because writers don't want to be means blamed by some smart students.
Okay.
So if I write sine theta and equal to 1
Mm-hmm.
and sorry sine theta equal to 1 and tell some students to find this value. So
Okay.
and one student will tell that sine 90 degrees 1, so that
Uh-huh.
means theta is equal to. But
1.
some smart students can tell theta is equal to 270 degree,
Yeah, that's
theta
right.
is equal to 450 degree, and so on.
Okay.
So writer want to
Save himself.
just limit this. Yeah, to save himself, like I want to answer between this and
Okay.
okay. So but one thing, I think many will not remember this thing. So I will give a trick in exam if you forgot how you can write it down again, this chart without remembering it.
Yeah,
So-
that would be amazing.
So first write down sine, then here, this is our standard angles like 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. We have to remember just this one, nothing. Start with 1. I think it was 1, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, it will start with 0.
0.
Then
Sign
1,
1.
2, 3, and then 4. Divide everything with 4. Take a square root of everything. Then we got the answer. 0. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by root 2. This is root 3 by 2. And this is 1. Got it?
And that's actually a nice trick.
Yes, bro.
Same
So-
similar formula for others.
Others, you don't need to tension. Just like if you want to cos, just make it reverse. Like 1 will be first,
Right.
then root 3 by 2 will be second. This will be in middle. 1 by 2 in the second last, and 0 is the last.
Okay.
And for the tan, we know sine by cos is tan, right? So what we can do, 0 by 1, 0, 1 by 2, divided by root 3 by 2. So it will be 1 by 2. I think this will not too convenient.
Okay, I think you might be
You just
knowing this
remember.
and sharing it might help everyone. There is a sentence, right? Some people have curly brown hairs, turn permanently
Yeah,
black.
yeah.
You can also explain that, so it can help some
No,
students.
actually, I don't remember that sentence.
No, but
I
the
never
sentence
used
is
that.
some people have curly brown hair that turns permanently black.
Some people have curly
Brown,
hair,
curly brown hair.
brown.
No. Brown hair.
Brown hair.
Yes.
Okay, brown hair.
Turn
That
permanently
permanently
black.
black. Oh, so this is for sine P by H, cos B by H, tan P by B. Got
Yeah,
everyone?
can just explain that to everyone so they can have easy to remember.
So if you want to find sine, this will be P by H. If you want to cos, then just B by H. If you want to find P, then just do P by B. Okay. For Hindi,
Nice,
I have
bro.
I have remembered one thing because I was studied in Hindi medium school. So I actually remember in Hindi. So if anyone wants to remember in Hindi, I will tell one thing. That was Pandit Badri Prasad. Pandit Badri Prasad.
Yes, bro.
Hari Hari Bol.
Yeah,
So
I also remember.
P
I
by
heard
H,
it
B by
sometimes.
H, P by B. So this will be sine, cos, and tan.
Okay, so those people who did not understood what he did above is SPH and CBH. It's a sentence. Some people have curly brown hair, turn permanently black. Now, if you just write the sentence on a paper, okay, and then you take first alphabet of each word, and then you write it down on your paper. Now, first alphabet is SPH, that is sine. P by H, PH, that means P by H. Sine is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Same for cos, cos B by H, tan P by B. So I think you understood what it is, right? The sentence is you can also Google it also. It's available on Google also. Some people have curly brown hair, turn permanently black. If you just remember the sentence, you won't get confused like what is the value for sine, what is the value for cos, and what is for tan. Okay, please, bro, go ahead.
That's good
Okay.
trick. Thanks.
What did you say in Hindi?
Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol.
Okay, thanks.
So now, as you see, you can see if you stuck in between, like I have to find tan. You can do also sine by cos, like 0 by 1. You can divide and check what is coming. But I think it will be better to remember tan individually because it's 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, and 1. Sorry, it will be not 1. It will be undefined.
Okay, one more thing that I would like to add here. Okay, sometimes we forget the values. Okay, when you forget the values, what you need to do is you can make a triangle. Okay, and put whatever value you have there, and then you can calculate the hypotenuse and everything, and that's how also you can write the values. Because sometimes
Yeah,
some
yeah.
people just completely forget everything. I used to do that in my 2 years of 11th and 12th. I never remembered any formula. So in
Me
exam, I have to
too,
do that.
bro.
Okay.
So, so for tan, 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, and infinity. In this, we have to remember just 1. 1 by root 3, sorry, 2. 1 by root 3 and root 3. That's for 45 and 60. And 0, 1, infinity. And later on, for if you want to find for cosec, just do reverse of sine, like reciprocal, 1 by 0, 1 by 1 by 2, 1 by 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3 by 2. You got it? Like if I am to find for cosec, I will write it like cosec 0 is 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is undefined. Not undefined, it's infinity. 1 by 2. So for 30 degree, it will be 2. For 45 degree, it will be root 2. And for 60 degree, it will be reciprocal, that is 2 by root 3. And 90 degree, 1 by 1, 1. So just like that, we can do for cosec also, just reverse the cos term. For cot also, just reverse the tan term. Okay, I will take one sum from this. I think this will be better because this includes pi. So many of us have a fear of pi. So 4 by 3 sec square. You have to replace pi with just 180. Instead of pi, we can replace 180. So this will be 180 by 3. 180 by 3 by what? 60 degree minus cosec square pi by 3 means 180 by 3. 180 by 3 is what? 60 minus cosec square pi by 6 means 180 by 6 is 30. Are you getting my point? We have to do just replace with pi equal to 180. And then 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4, so minus 3 by 4, 10 square, 45 degree, and then minus 2 sine square, 60 degree. So now 4 by 3, sec square 60 degree, it will come reverse of cos. Cos 60, we know 1 by 2, so it will be 2 square minus cosec 60. Cosec 60 is reciprocal of sine. Sine 60 is, we know, root 3 by 2. So 2 by root 3 reciprocal, it will be, and square minus cosec 30 reciprocal of sine 30, and sine 30 we know 1 by 2, so it will be 2 square minus 3 by 4, tan 45. 45 is 1. What it is, tan 45 or cot 45? In both cases 1. So 1 square. And at last 2 sin square 60. Sin 60 we know root 3 by 2. Sin square 60, it's root 3 by 2 whole square. That means, so now 4 by 3 into 4, 16 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus 4 minus 3 by 4 minus 2 into 3 by 4 means 6 by 4. Now it will be 12 and it will be 64 minus 16 minus 48. I'm not calculating, I'm cheating. You can see at the top right corner. So 64 minus 48 is 16. 16, 16 cancel out. Okay, answer I can also 16. 9 minus 9. Minus 9 by 4. Okay. Anyone have doubt? How I solved or how I put the values? This was just simply putting the values and get the answer. Okay, so everyone want me this solve number question 3, or you want to try at home?
We can try.
Yeah, you should try, and if you not, then discuss it.
Actually, it's not we can try. You have to.
Yes, bro, we will.
Okay, find x from this. I'm doing this also. Okay, I'm not doing this. I'm just explaining how it's solved. Okay, 2x minus 3 cosec square. Okay, first thing what is done here, you can see every pi is replaced with the 180. So 180 by 3 is 60 degree here, 180 by 4 is 45 degree, and so on. Okay, so first line was very simple, just replace pi with 180. Now meeting will end in 10 minutes. So what should I do? I should do more or just end with this session?
Everyone, just write in the chat. You want to continue or you want to end the session in 10 minutes?
So next we have to just put the values like cos 60 we have 2 by root 3, just put the values. Sin 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1, sec 30 2 by root 3, and now 2x minus 3, and this whole square will be 4 by 3 minus this whole square will be 1 by 2, and 1 square is 1, that is x into 1x, and minus 2 by root 3 whole square is 4 by 3 and minus 2. So now this is just simple equation. So you can see here we solved here like 4 by 3 minus 1 by 2. What will be here? It will be 6 and 8 minus 3, that is 5 by 6. So it will come 5 by 6, x minus 10 by 3, 4 by 3 minus 2, minus 4 by 3 minus 2. It will be 3 minus 4 minus 6 minus 10 by 3. Okay. So now 6 is multiplied opposite side. It will be 6x minus 6 into 10 by 3 will be 20. Okay, got it? 6 into 10 by 3
Yes,
is
bro.
20. So next 5 into 2 10x, 5 into 3 15 equals 6x minus 20. Now 10x 6x becomes this side, so it will be 4x, 10 minus 6 4x, minus 20 and minus 15 goes to this side, so it will be minus 20 and plus 15. So minus 20 plus 50 will be minus 5, and this side is what? 4x. Now 4 divides minus 5 by 4.
Got it, bro.
Okay, anyone have doubt?
No, bro.
No.
Okay, so I'm thinking I will start next question, means or just discuss any doubts, just because in 2 minutes it will end the session.
No, actually we have 7 minutes left.
7 minutes. Okay. So this is the same thing again. I don't will repeat because just put the value and solve it. Now comes allied angle. Okay, I will give it here. I will try to explain what is here. Set. Okay, this is just simple formula. Whenever sine and tan and its reciprocal, sine tan and its reciprocals, like sine reciprocal is what? Cosec and cot. Whenever these angle trigonometric ratios, if you find them, you have to always follow the sign. Like if I do tan minus theta, then I have to write minus tan theta. Like minus sign will be come out as an coefficient. So this will be follow in all these things, like sine, cosec, tan, cot. It will not follow in only cos and its reciprocal sec. Like cos minus theta will be cos theta. It will no impact of minus. There will be no impact of minus. So you can ignore the minus in terms of cos. Like if I want to find cos minus 45 degree, it is same as cos 45 degree. But if I want to find sine minus 45 degree, it will be minus come out as coefficient and then sine 45 degree. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Now go
now
ahead.
this is complementary angles. Complementary angles means whenever you find any multiple of 90, whenever you find any multiple of 90 in angles, like 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, or anything, then we have to change the ratio. And how it will change? From this rule, sine will change to cos and cos will change to sine. Tan will change to cot, cot will change to tan, and cosec will change to sec, and sec will change to cosec. I'm giving them some examples. Like I want to find sine 90 minus theta. Then what will be? We have to first change because it is a multiple of 90. Then we have to change. How it will be changed? Sine will become cos, and just write cos theta. Similarly, if it is cos,
It applies for both plus and minus,
yeah,
like
both
90
and
plus
minus.
theta, 90 minus theta. For both, will it change to cos theta?
Yeah, same.
Okay.
But there is one more thing I will coming to that thing. Cosec 90 minus theta, it will be cosec will be converted to sec, then it will be sec theta. But one thing we have to consider while changing greater than angles 90, we have discussed so far less than angle 90. Okay, now we are going to greater than angles 90. So now for greater than angles 90, we have to remember this rule. We know this is x-axis, y-axis. So this is known as first quadrant, this is known as second, this is third, and this is fourth. Starting from the top right, anti-clockwise. Starting from the top right, anti-clockwise. Okay.
I think we
And
have less
what
time,
we have
so
to
we should discuss this chart tomorrow, right? Or next class.
Yeah,
Because
right. That
if
will be
we
better.
skip it in between,
Up to 90, we up to
Okay.
90, it will be better here.
yeah.
So if you have any doubt between here,
Okay.
then
Okay.
ask
One
in
thing I
this
forgot
meeting.
in first class. Okay. Today it was Husnia's first class. So everybody thank her and thank Uma brother also. He is also taking a very good classes. So at the end, everyone can unmute your mic now and thank all the students who are helping with this. Okay. So that they are also motivated.
Thanks a lot, Husnia and Uma. Love your teaching.
No thanks. I will ask a favor in return. We
Yes,
all
bro.
should contribute each other, because we are not teaching as a professional anywhere. We are just trying to learn
Yes, bro.
together. Okay, so try to contribute each other, help each other, and then grow together.
Yeah, that is the
Yes,
idea.
bro.
That's absolutely right.
Your
Yes,
concepts
for
are very
sure.
clear.
Sorry,
Thank you very much.
actually this was, oh,
It was
you're
great
welcome.
today.
And you still your class is too really nice.
Thanks, Musti.
Both are doing very good job and your concepts are very clear. And you make math very
Thank you.
interesting as well.
Oh, because that's my 5-year experience. I was teaching 5 years up to for CBSE students.
That's coming handy now.
Yeah.
Okay, so we shall now end the
Thank you.
session. Okay. It was a really good session,
yeah,
and
yeah.
I actually like the trigonometry sessions. It's really easy to learn here. You know, and it was also Husnia's first class. She also did very, because I saw both the sisters. They are twin sisters and they are very confident. They took it without any nervousness. So it's amazing actually.
Yeah. I will see at the YouTube because I was busy
Definitely,
in work,
definitely.
so I could not
And
attend.
yes, until yesterday, all YouTube is updated. This will also be updated by, I think, today or tomorrow morning. I will share the link in Telegram and our WhatsApp groups.